Hello everyone, my name is Jamileh, and I'm here to talk about the assumption language learners should be exposed only to the forms they're taught. I strongly disagree with this assumption. As we previously discussed, it's not only important for the students to learn the language, it's more important to acquire it and use it in the real-life situations. Hence, they should be exposed to more forms other than the ones that are taught in a classroom. The ultimate goal of a teacher is to help the students and encourage them to acquire the autonomy in learning. But by exposing them only to the forms taught in the classroom, the students are controlled and limited, so they would be afraid to get out of the door of the classroom and use it in the real-life situations. One of the most effective ways to acquire a language is to get connected with other learners in real life or virtual life. These days, everyone has access to the internet, and there are many websites and applications the learners can use to learn a language. In addition, language clubs help the students to get exposed to learning the language outside of the classroom. Hence, I strongly disagree language learning should be limited to the forms taught in classroom. I think it's much more directly connected to the real-life usage of it. Thank you for listening. I'm waiting for your reviews. Have a nice time.